Alright, so here we're doing a quick unboxing of the LG1000 BTU LW1016ER. Purchased for $299. 10,000 BTU. Sufficient for a room 450 square feet in size. So on these units you have to install the front. So we got the top here. Pow. Pretty interesting. Haven't seen one where you have to install the front. The last video I was installing this in a rental property where the tenant's actual central air conditioning had gone out and had to put in a new compressor, so it took a week. So I had installed this air conditioner. Well, now that their central air is working, I figured I might bring this here to my house and replace this old thing. It's an old Maytag, still works fine, but it's obviously been around for a long time. I have looked and I can't tell what size this thing is. I suspect it's probably 5,000 or 8,000. Okay, so the deal is I'm going to go ahead and install that in this window here. Alright, so I've got another window unit which is over there next to the plasma television. Okay, but what I'm going to do, I've allowed it to heat up in the house. It's probably about 80 degrees now, so I've got all the windows and doors open. It's summertime here in Atlanta. Alright, so I'm going to install that LG in this window, and then we're just going to do a little test. We're going to look at the temperature when I get it installed and see how long it takes to cool the house off. A lot of people bellyache about window unit air conditioners, but that's all I use. I think they're more convenient than central air conditioning, because if one breaks, you just have to go buy another one, and if you don't want to, you just let your other ones run, because typically you're going to have more than one. So anyway, we're going to get that installed and do a little test, and then we're going to make it quick. Alright, okay, so we're back. Alright, it's 77 degrees in the house here. So it's 5:36 p.m. and it's 77 degrees. That door is open, but it's about to get closed. So here we are. We got the big LG air conditioner here. I'm going to turn it on. We're just going to set it to cool, not energy saver. Energy saver is like Diet Coke. It tastes like shit. Alright, so we're going to set this thing on 70, and then we're going to come back in a little bit, ask Alexa what time it is, and then check the thermometer in the other room. So alright, well, must admit that is a good looking window unit, so it certainly looks nice. I didn't take a good look at it when I installed it at the other house because I was rushing along, but this is my house, and so there it is. Cord is ugly, but hey. And of course we're going to put a Wemo device on that, just like we have here on the movie screen. So we'll put a Wemo device over here, and that way I can tell Alexa to turn this air conditioner on. Alexa, turn dining room air conditioner on. Turn dining room air conditioner off. So that's it. So it's the 10,000 BTU LG window unit air conditioner. And by the way, I think it's awesome. It's been in the window for 6 months and still going strong.